That's my sign. Maybe I'll go to the Pointe Medical Building. Like Elmo. I think we have Dovers here. Yeah, this is definitely Dover. It does work. Free. Here we go. Nice leveling. Here's your COP, 40 French pound capacities, Dover traditional buttons, 88 phone. There's a label thing there. This is a hospital-sized one. Typical hospital-sized elevator, but it's very nice. This seems like a very late Dover traditional install. See if we can read the other one real quick. Here you go.
Thank you. Mañana tiene cita mi mamá también, ¿verdad? Mañana tiene cita mi mamá.
Let's try to get it. Hey, it's working. It's very dim though. I think it's coming down. Yeah, here it is. Open lever. There we go. Nice. 3. Oh, that is broken. Oh my god. Here we go. Very nice. Nice. 1. Oh, that really needs some help. Here's your COP, 30 French pound capacity, Dover traditional buttons, 88 phone, just like the other one. Same as the other one, just smaller, but still very, very nice. I like these. Number 1. I can only end it on 3, actually. This takes forever to level on this one. Yeah, let's end it on 3. Wow, you see that? The light flickered on the bell ring. It's funny. Here we go. Here's 3. Not bad. There's your Dover interlock. Whatever that is. What's that say? 97. This is a very late Dover. Nice. Alrighty. There it goes, and